Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're serious about growing your channel and reaching more viewers, then it's time to get ahead of the game. In today's video, we're diving into the world of YouTube SEO, how to optimize your content so it ranks higher in search results and gets discovered by more people. Let's get started. Step 1. What is YouTube SEO? So, what exactly is YouTube SEO? Simply put, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. On YouTube, it's all about making sure your videos show up in search results when people are looking for content like yours. By optimizing your titles, descriptions, tags, and more, you increase the chances of your videos being found by the right audience. Step 2. Why YouTube SEO is crucial. You might be wondering, why is SEO so important for YouTube? The answer is simple. More visibility equals more views, and more views can lead to more subscribers, higher engagement, and potentially more revenue. With over 500 hours of video uploaded every minute, standing out on YouTube is no small feat. But mastering SEO can give you that edge you need. Step 3. Keyword research for YouTube. Let's start with the foundation of SEO, keyword research. This involves finding the right words and phrases that people are using to search for content in your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or even YouTube's own search bar to discover popular and relevant keywords. Make sure to include these keywords in your video title, description, and tags to improve your chances of being discovered. Step 4. Crafting the perfect title. Your video title is one of the first things people see, and it plays a huge role in SEO. A great title should be catchy, concise, and include your primary keyword. Try to keep your titles under 60 characters so they don't get cut off in search results. Remember, a well-crafted title not only helps with SEO, but also entices viewers to click on your video. Step 5. Optimizing video descriptions. Next up is your video description. This is your opportunity to tell viewers and YouTube's algorithm exactly what your video is about. Start with a strong opening sentence that includes your primary keyword, and then provide a detailed summary of your video. Be sure to include secondary keywords and relevant links, like to your website or social media profiles. The more detailed your description, the better your chances of ranking higher in search results. Step 6. Tagging your video effectively. Tags are another important part of YouTube SEO. They help YouTube understand the content and context of your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags, starting with your primary keyword. Don't overstuff your tags. Stick to relevant words and phrases that accurately describe your content. Remember, the goal is to help YouTube categorize your video correctly. Step 7. Creating engaging thumbnails. While thumbnails aren't a direct factor in SEO, they play a crucial role in getting viewers to click on your video. An eye-catching thumbnail can make all the difference, increasing your click-through rate, which in turn can boost your video's ranking. Make sure your thumbnails are clear, vibrant, and visually represent what your video is about. Step 8. Leveraging playlists and end screens. Playlists and end screens are often overlooked but can significantly boost your channel's performance. Organize your videos into playlists to keep viewers watching more of your content. Use end screens to promote related videos or encourage viewers to subscribe. This keeps viewers on your channel longer, which is a positive signal to YouTube's algorithm. Step 9. Analyzing and adapting. Finally, always keep an eye on your analytics. Tools like YouTube Analytics and Google Analytics can provide insights into how your videos are performing and how viewers are finding your content. Use this data to refine your SEO strategy, try out new keywords, and continuously improve your content. The more you analyze and adapt, the more successful your SEO efforts will be. So, there you have it. With these tips, you're now equipped to SEO your YouTube channel and get ahead of the game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. What's your biggest SEO challenge? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.